Baked smoky cream cheese spread. To make this easy appetizer, you will need a block of cream cheese and your favorite spices. I used cumin, smoked paprika, coriander, salt, and pepper. In a small bowl, combine all of your spices. You'll need between 1 and 2 tablespoons of spice mixture to coat your block of cream cheese. You could also use any commercial blend of spices that you like, blackened seasoning, barbecue rub, Cavender's, whatever sounds good to you will work well in this preparation. Next, generously coat the block of cream cheese on all sides with the spice mixture. Be sure that you get the ends and the sides. You want to completely coat it in the spices. Kind of press the spices into the cream cheese a little bit and then place the block in a baking dish or on a raft of heavy-duty aluminum foil. If desired, drizzle the edges of the cream cheese with olive oil and then place in a 250-degree oven for 1 to 2 hours. You could also do this in a smoker if you have one. After 1 to 2 hours, the block of cream cheese will be smooth and creamy and spreadable, slightly smoky, a bit spicy, depending on the spice combination you used. I found it to be absolutely delicious spread on buttery Ritz crackers. I hope you enjoyed this video. For the complete recipe and others, please visit us at arkansasonline.com/cooking.